classics and our restoration of our 1969 BSA Starfire. As you can see, we've been working quite hard and coming to a completion on it, and really this last few weeks we've been working on the wiring and the chrome work. So I'll just take you through the wiring. What we have done, we have replaced all the wiring on the bike, which is a positive earth bike. We have our headlamp. This is the old original headlamp we have back into it. We have all that wired up, ammeter, various switches, our front brake light switch, our rear brake light switch, coil, horn. All the wiring has been replaced along with the ignition. The only difference in this bike will be from the very original bike was the Zender diode, which sat here. We have now taken that away because really in these old British bikes they're very unreliable, and we have reverted to a bit of modern technology in here, which I'll explain at the very end. As far as the chrome work goes, as you can see, we have the front mudguard now on, and in the next couple of days we'll put the rear mudguard on and our tail light, and really to finish off it'll just be the seat, which we have now ready, and the paintwork, which is coming back from the paint shop, which will complete this bike. As I said to you, I'll come back to the ignition. It's not full electronic ignition, but it's really a small device in here. It takes away from the Zender diode, and it'll hook up into the battery. And it's a bit of modern technology which will help with the ignition and the firing system. So all in all, I say if over the next couple of weeks we should have this bike complete and it should roll off this ramp. So remember to like our video and turn on your subscriptions, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and say if you have any questions, remember to send them in to us. So I'll see you next time. Bye.